What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to tell you what are ELSS mutual funds. Now if you're a taxpayer, you might have heard of these tax saving mutual funds. ELSS or equity linked savings schemes mutual funds allow you to invest in mutual funds to save your taxes for up to 1.5 lakhs under section 80C. Now, like any other mutual fund out there, ELSS mutual funds also invest into equity securities. However, the catch here is that there is a 3-year lock-in period. So what that means is, let's say if you invest on January 1st, 2020, then you would be able to redeem your amount only after January 1st, 2024. Now, when it comes to lock-in period, ELSS mutual funds are a great way of saving tax rather than other tax saving schemes, as they have a longer lock-in period. And you can expect good returns from ELSS mutual funds, as their portfolio that they invest in is quite diversified. Now, comparing to thematic or sectoral mutual funds, ELSS mutual funds have quite low risk. They are risky, but they are not that risky as thematic or sectoral funds. Now, do note that ELSS mutual funds are subject to LTCG tax. What this means is, if your redemption corpus exceeds 1 lakh rupees, then you'll be subjected to 10% of LTCG or long-term capital gain tax. If you want to read more about long-term capital gain tax, then you can search for it online. But to just give you an example, if you invested rupees 50,000 on January 1st, 2020, then on January 1st, 2024, when you would redeem the whole corpus, then you would be subjected to 10% of LTCG tax if your total corpus amount exceeds rupees 1 lakh. Alright, now if you have a corpus of rupees 1 lakh as investment amount and you want to invest in ELSS mutual funds, I would recommend you to not invest all the amount in a single day. Instead, you could try dividing that amount into small amounts, and you could invest those small amounts in multiple days. So for example, if you have 1 lakh rupees, then you could divide your amount into 20,000 rupees, and you could invest your amount in 5 days. Now, why I am giving you this suggestion is something which we'll talk about in the next video.